All this work and learning has me hungry. I thought, since this week is all about A, we might want to eat some ants on a log. Sounds yucky, even to me, but I promise, these are fun. It's time to do this in the kitchen and try it out. First, we need a long celery stalk. You can get a piece like this, and then go like that, and that is a celery stalk. But it's a little bit dirty. I like celery, it's so crunchy and fun to eat, but it has to be cleaned really well. Go to the sink, turn on the water, cold water, put your celery stalk under the water, and clean it like that. Take your fingers and rub it up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Just like that. Clean all of it. Clean it from top. This is the top. To bottom. This is the bottom. You can turn it around and get the front. This is the front. And the back. This is the back. And after we cleaned it from the top to the bottom, and the front and the back, we can turn the water off. Then we can put it on a plate, like that. It doesn't look much like a log, does it? But we can fix that. We can add some peanut butter. Open it up. You get your plastic knife. Scoop some out and go like this. Nice and creamy. We're making a log. Go make it nice and smooth. With peanut butter. Go like that. And you can hold on to the end like that. And fill it in. This is filling it in. Squish it. Squish it inside. And it can make it easier to set it on the plate, lay it on the plate like that while you do it. Squish it down into the celery. There. That was fun. Do you know what color the peanut butter is? Peanut butter is brown. Now we have a nice log. And it's time for the ants. I don't eat real ants, so we have to pretend. These will be our ants. Raisins, yum. The raisins, you can pour some on the plate like that. Now this is fun. Pick up your raisins, that's a bunch of raisin ants. And take your ants and go like this. And they are walking up the log. This is the bottom and this is the top. This is up and this is down. Look at all those raisins. They're making the log heavy. It's moving. See, as promised, ants on the log. Now it's snack time. Then back to work we go, after we clean everything up.